sometimes people say, I don't want to pay a lawyer to do it. And I get that. I don't want to pay a lawyer to figure out what's going to happen once I'm dead. I get that. And what I say to them is, who are you leaving behind? Because do those people care? I'm guessing 99% of the time they do. And when we have people come in on the flip side to do estate administration and things aren't clear and there is contention, the number one thing they all say is, I wish this person, the deceased person, had told me. I wish this deceased person had said what they wanted in this circumstance, because they told me one thing, they told somebody else something different. Well, that's where we come in, where we can go through those wishes with people and make sure that their wishes are set out, their assets are protected, and their beneficiaries are protected. And, that's, for me, that's where I think when we talk about helping people from point A to point B, they don't think of all those little things. It's like a maze. They don't think of all the little things that ought to be in your will when they're online just filling out a pre-populated PDF form, right? I
think that's a really good way to put it, as a maze, because you're right. And in so many areas of law, there is that maze. And I think that without certainly having that legal background where we've seen the best and we've seen the worst, we can guide people through that maze in a way that makes sense for their situation.